Hello all. Today we'll be making the very lovely chicken lollipop. I'll be serving the lollipop with a sauce. I've taken 1 kg of chicken wings and prepared the lollipop and kept it here. So before we go into the details, let's see how the lollipops are prepared from the chicken wings. So to prepare the lollipop, you find the place where the two bones of the wings meet, and it will be very easy to cut over there. After cutting them, take the bigger portion of it. Now this one has a single bone inside. So we cut the muscles and the flesh portion at the bottom of the bone, and then after cutting we push the skin and the flesh onto the top of the bone so that it forms a round at the top. We have got one lollipop ready. Now let's prepare the other part. So this part has two bones in it and we have to remove the thin bone from it. After removing the bone, we prepare the lollipop in the similar manner as we did the first part. Cut the muscles and the flesh at the bottom, and then bring all the flesh onto the top of it so that it becomes a round on the top. So we have prepared two lollipop from a single wing. I have prepared the lollipops from all the wings. Now let's see the other ingredients required for the dish. I have taken here 5 pieces of garlic, 1-inch long ginger. We need 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. It is completely optional, but it does add a good taste to it. Half teaspoon of salt. We need egg white of 1 egg, 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Now let's mix everything together. In a bowl, add in the soya sauce, the turmeric powder, the Kashmiri chili powder, onion powder, salt, the egg white and the soya sauce. I have made a paste of the ginger and garlic and I'm adding them too. Now mix well. Now add in the chicken and let it marinate for about 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes now. Now let's add in 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of plain flour to it. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of water to loosen the batter. Mix them all very well now. After mixing, let's shape each lollipop perfectly and keep them on a plate. Now heat up the oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, you reduce the flame to medium to low. We'll get the lollipops fried now. One thing you have to take care of is you should not put all the lollipops together for frying. They will stick to each other if you do that. While frying, make sure you turn them every now and then. Now the lollipops are brown in color and ready to be taken out. Before taking it out, you increase the flame to high so that the excess oil is drained off. I have fried all the lollipops in the same manner. Now let's prepare the sauce. Let's see the ingredients first. I've taken 1 onion, 1 spring onion, 2 to 3 garlic, 1 piece of ginger, and then I've cut it into very small pieces. In a bowl, let's mix 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and mix them very well and keep it aside. Now we are using the same oil that we used to fry the chicken so that it does have a flavor of chicken in it. We don't need all the oil, we just need 1 teaspoon for frying. Once the oil is heated up, you just saute the onions, spring onions, ginger and garlic. Once it is sauteed well, you add in the sauce mixture that we have prepared. Make sure you're cooking on a very low flame. Once the sauce mixture has been reduced, you add in the chicken pieces and make sure all the chicken pieces are coated well. Now our lollipop is ready to be served. It's a delicious dish and you should really give it a try. Do leave your valuable comments in the comment box. So until we meet again, bye.